How to set price alerts on MEXC app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is download the MEXC app and open it. To set the price alerts, go ahead and go to markets and you can select any companies or any crypto or bitcoins which you want to select and want to set a price alert for it. So after you select it, you can see on the top right hand side is a notification or bell icon. Go ahead and hit that icon and you can see this is for price alerting. You can just go ahead and tap on reset alerts, or you can just go ahead and tap on add alerts option over here. So you can see the alert type and price is there. So you can add in your price of your wish. After you do so, you can just go ahead and tap on create alert. You can see the frequency or as well. You can select it and tap on create alert and you will be sent some alerts as the price will be changed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.